Hyderabad, a city known for its rich history and vibrant culture, has witnessed an interesting twist in its political landscape. In total, Telangana has 17 constituencies, and right now there is a neck-to-neck competition, with BJP secured 8, Congress secured 8, and AIMIM secured 1 seat. Now shifting our focus to Hyderabad, then sitting MP and AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi won 6 lakh plus votes, whereas BJP candidate Madhavi Lata won 3 lakh plus votes. Owaisi is way ahead of Madhavi. That means a clear win, right? But do you know an interesting fact here? Lata had got an upper hand in the postal ballot counting. She received 3,413 votes through postal ballot, while AIMIM chief secured 2,700 votes. Now, for those who doesn't know what postal ballot is, then it is also known as a mail-in ballot. They allow registered voters to exercise their franchise by mail rather than going to a polling booth. Now, here in Hyderabad, at least 15 Muslim candidates are leading in various constituencies across the country, including the chief. Well, they are leading by over 3 lakh votes. Owaisi has been representing Hyderabad in Parliament since 2004. He also served as an MLA twice in past in an undivided Andhra Pradesh. In fact, in 2019, Owaisi won the seat by a margin of over 2.80 lakh votes, which is about 64% of the total votes. Before Owaisi, his father, Sultan Owaisi, represented Hyderabad seat in Lok Sabha for 6 straight terms since 1984. Well, for further information about the elections, do follow India.com's special election coverage.